Namaskar everyone, welcome back to Current Gyan. My name is Rahul. So we'll discuss today about the second paper of Lok Sabha examination of mechanical engineering. So second paper, we'll discuss the syllabus of second paper, that is technical subject, which is a written subject of 3 hours. So the first section is of 20 marks, which contains the subject called machine design and drawing. So there are 8 chapters here in the machine design and drawing. First one is design analysis, design of machine components, design of power transmissions elements, design of bearing, design of lift devices, pressure vessels, types of projections, design externalizations. So these are the 8 chapters which you have to mug up in details, and you can refer the book. I'll suggest the book of every um, subjects in a detail in the next video. And the section B contains 30 marks. So the section B, first one is industrial engineering, which I have almost 6 chapters, which contains safety, agronomics, and quality measurement, operation research, production planning, and inventory, plant location, and layouts. In case these all are the different subject, if you have read in the whole BTech or B graduation, so these all are the subjects, but we have to manage to read in briefly about every subject according to the exam points of view. So the third subject is maintenance management, in which we have 5 chapters, in which we have 5 chapters. First one is maintenance and preventive and predictive maintenance, corrosion, biology, tribology, sorry, total productive maintenance (TPM), and in this section C we have environmental engineering, energy resources. So in environmental engineering we have 5 chapters, that is contains air pollution, noise pollution, water, solid waste, global impacts. And in energy resources we have 5 chapters again: energy consumption scenario of Nepal. This we have to read in detail. Hydroelectricity national policies, achievement and utilizations. And third one is solar energy and its application, solar thermal and solar photovoltaic. And in fourth chapter will be bioenergy and biomass energy and wind energy, method of enhancing energy efficiency and energy conversion. So these are the section C. And in section D, which contains 30 marks, in which will cover engineering economics, in which we have up to 6 chapters. So you can go through this chapter. You can read the syllabus. I will not discuss more. And the seventh one is professional practice, in which we have four chapters, in which contains ethics and professionalism, contract act and rules, procurement and procurement procedures, and introduction to IP, intellectual property. So in this eighth chapter we have construction equipment planning and management. So in this we have at least only three chapter, but it is very lengthy, so you can go through this topic. So I'll end this lecture here. Thank you for watching, and we'll discuss some more about this books, which books we'll refer for the Lok Sabha preparation for different chapters, and I'll provide that in the next video. Thank you. Jai Nepal.